This is Jeff Nova. Imagine today getting instant access to over 1 million plus article database inside your WordPress website. If that sounds good, stay tuned. I'm going to show you exactly how you can get access to that today for 100% free, and you're going to love it, okay? So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to come right over here. Once you have it installed, it's called My Content Creator Pro, the free version. It's an auto-blogging plugin. Plus, you don't have to use the auto-blogging part. You can just use it manually and search for articles. And you can go through our database of over 1 million plus articles. We have it all put in there under different categories, so it's easy to find. So I'm going to show you a really quick overview so you can see how this works. So once you have it installed, you're going to come right over here to Auto Content Creation, okay? Then you're going to find the category you want. We have hundreds of categories here. If you don't see your category, then send us a support ticket or post below this video the articles that you like written, and we will get 100 SEO optimized articles for you written. It's that simple, okay? So basically what you're going to do is you're just going to find what articles you want, obviously for your particular niche for your blog. And then what you can do is if you just want to look at a particular category and look at the whole category, the best way to do is just click on this right here. Don't enter anything right here unless you want it to be targeted towards exactly AI marketing. This one right here, this is going to show you exactly all the ones for this particular category itself. We have over 100 articles right there that you can use. Just click on these right here. If you want to add these, so you can keep these, because say like you like these ones, you can just click add results. Then you can come over here where it's import, and then you can actually see the ones that we just added right here for you guys. Okay, so you just come over here and you can just see all the different articles that I've added right in here. So let's just like refresh it here. And you can just see some of these articles right here. And some of them have been already, I've already posted them. So let me just go back here real quick and just show you what I mean here. So we're just going to go back and search. And I'm going to go right here. Go back to this section right here. AI marketing. I'm just going to find some articles right here. We're going to go to page 3 so I can make sure that I didn't do this in another video. So we're just going to check these right here. These are the articles that I want. So I'm going to save those, and then they're going to be added to this area right here where you can go in here and find these. So you can see them all right here that we just did. And it's very, very simple. We're going to be adding a add to draft instead of just posting them automatically. So stay tuned for that update. So once you just update it right there, you just click add to post. Add to post, and then I'll show you on the test site right here where you can see those articles. So here they are. They're SEO optimized, so you'll get access to these right here. So there it is right there. There's the first one. I'm going to go down here and show you the next one. These are excellent articles that have been written by an SEO expert, and he understands WordPress really well, so it actually posts it into your WordPress website the correct way to get the most traffic, leads, and sales for you, okay? So you can just see right there, I just posted 2 of them, but it's that simple. You can literally get access to over 1 million articles added to your WordPress website for 100% free. So let's go back over here. Now, let's say you want to find some videos, okay? Sometimes just refresh and go back over there again. Then come over here to videos. Let's say you want to look for video topics under AI marketing. Okay, this is going to pull literally unlimited videos and YouTube shorts that you can actually add to your blog posts that will get you more search intent, people coming to your site, staying longer, and that's what Google wants. You click on any of these right here, same way as articles, so we'll just click on these, and then you just click save results, and then we'll save them for later, okay? And then you come over to images, and then you can just do, AI marketing, or whatever topic it is that you're doing, and then these will be free copyright images that you can use for 100% free, okay? And then same way as the articles, you just click on these right here, and you click Save Results, and then you come right over here to your media file, and you'll actually see these particular images that you can use any single time that you want, okay? Let me just refresh it here. We go back here again. Oh, here they are. So you can see the images right here. You can see all them right there. And then if you want to go back and do some more, we can just go like this, come back over here, and then just go to images. And let's just do again, AI marketing. So we'll go right here, and I'll just pick some other ones here just in case. So we'll go right here. And then I'm going to save these right here. So you can see these in the media section. So it said it saved it right there. So we'll go to the media section again. You can come right here, And you can see that we just added more of them right here for you guys. So you can just click on any of these, use these when you make a blog post, anything like that. So basically we'll go back right here. And then if you want to go to the auto blogging section, this is where you click on auto blogging. It's the same exact way right here. What you do is you just click on add new campaign. So let's say we're just going to do a topic of, let's just say we do a topic of AI marketing. And let's see. So we'll just copy this right here. We want articles to go out one time every day. You can do multiple articles every day, multiple articles every hour, however you want to do it. Choose images. This will pull images for you and automatically put them in there if you do the auto blogging. This right here will put a video in your blog post that has to do with AI marketing. And if you want to spin it, I don't always recommend that. Just you can leave that or you can try it if you want. And then go down here and you can find the category right here. And we're just doing AI marketing. And then you can just put your topic right there. And we'll just search right here. And let's just pick these right here. So you can just see this real quick. And we go up here just like we were doing the articles before, and then we just save it right here, save campaign. Then we come up to schedule post right there. Excuse me there for a sec. And then what we can do is right here, we can actually see, if we go over here to page 2, we can actually see these articles that have been added right in here. And you can see the articles that we added right down here. You can see the techniques right here. You can see this AI market right here, common mistakes to avoid in AI marketing. So you can see right here that these articles will start going out on February 28th, March 1st, March 2nd, March 3rd, and it is that simple, okay? So make sure that you play around with this, kind of get an idea of how things work. Like I said, it's really honestly simple to use. And if you ever have any kind of questions at all of different topics that you want and you don't see them, make sure that you send a support ticket, and we'll get back to you and let you know that we've added these articles for you. And we'll do 100 articles for you in any niche that you want. So basically this right here is where we add the articles. I want you to see proof of what we actually add articles. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a category of, since a lot of people are looking for AI SEO tips right now, I'm just going to do that one right there. So I'm just going to copy this right here. And then I'm just going to add that category. Okay. So it's added that category. Then what I can do now is I can come back over here and generate these articles. I'm going to generate 100 articles for you guys. There it is right there. We're just going to put right here. I'm going to show you exactly how it works so you can see this in action. So you know that I'm not making a fib and telling you the truth, that I'm really adding these articles for you guys. And then I'll actually show you the articles actually getting written as they are. This is going to show you the 100 articles with all the, it's going to show you 100 of them. It's going to show you the 100 titles to each article that it's writing right now. And you can see right here, all I got to do is press process. It's going to do 3 articles at a time. It's going to write these. And then I'm going to show you, if we go back over here, I'm going to show you exactly where you can actually see these articles. So click on auto content search right there. Then you come right over here, and then we can see, if we just scroll down here, you can actually see right there that I just added those. Like I said, if you want to, again, in the video, I told you before, you can add, down here, AI SEO tips, and it'll pull up, when it's in this particular order. But we can just go like this, and it should start showing. Yep, there it is. It's starting to pull them up right now for you guys. So you can see it's already written 4 since I showed you. And if I just keep refreshing this, it's going to show you even more. Now there's 5. So this is pretty exciting. We've been working on this for, actually a few years now. And that's why it took so long to actually get over 1 million articles. It just doesn't happen overnight. And if you do them all in one day, obviously they're going to be garbage. So we wanted to make sure every single month we add literally thousands of new articles, probably like some months 10,000, some months up to 30,000. But that's what we do. We want to help you guys out. So now there's up to 8. So if you want to get access to this powerful free WordPress plugin, that's an auto blogger also, called My Content Creator Pro, the free version, what you can do is you can click the link below this video. and it's going to take you right over to this page right here. If you want, you can watch this video. I'll go into a little bit more detail for you. This is how you get access to the free WordPress Autoblogging plugin with 1 million plus ready-made SEO optimized articles. Turn your WordPress blog into a self-updating traffic machine instantly. All you have to do is, like I showed you, is search, select, and publish instantly, or enable autoblogging in just a few clicks. I showed you all that. And right here, free lifetime updates, free plugin training, get access to the over 1 million plus evergreen niche articles, and then literally you get access to our thousands of new articles that we add every single month, okay? So we got the article category topics right here that you can see under the main categories. This is me right here. I'm shaving right here, so you can see today in this video I'm not. This is Chap Orno myself. And like I said, if you want to have your articles written, just click on support right there. Then you can click right over here to go to our support desk, and then you can click either on general support or on my content creator pro support. Put your name, email address, your subject line, and which articles you want us to write. Once we get those from you guys, we will write those that day for you. Those will be SEO optimized articles that you can start posting on your blog that day. And we'll send you a little reply back saying that we added them for you. And it really is honestly that simple. Thank you again for watching this video. I really hope that My Content Creator Pro, the free version WordPress Autoblogging plugin, helps you. I hope it takes your business to the next level. We're trying to help thousands of people this year really start, really making a business that actually works. It's really hard out there because, no one knows what to do. A lot of people don't want to do prompts with ChatGPT. So we made it simple. Our SEO expert, with WordPress, went in there, wrote hundreds of prompts. So once we write these articles, they're going to rank very well for you guys. So you guys don't have to play around with SEO or, with AI or anything like that if you don't want to, if you want just basic, and we're going to give it to you. So like I said, make sure you get today access to over 1 million niche articles today. And you can see right here, I'm just going to finish it off just right here. You can see that now we have 22 articles under that particular category, AI SEO tips. Again, this is Chap Orno. Post your comments below. Share this plugin with everybody that you can. This is going to help so many people. And thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Have yourself a great day. Bye-bye.